Hello, good day, friends. I'm super excited to introduce to you all another new quantitative platform that you can actually earn from. So, as you can see, this is a live wallet account that I'm going to be making withdrawal. So, currently, the conversion rate of dollar to naira is around 130, 1632, 1621. At most, is 1632. So, this is what you are going to be earning per day. It is approximately around 1632 multiplied by 5, or it can even be multiplied by 10. Multiplied by 10. So, it all depends on how much you are staking on this platform. So, you can see if it's multiplied by 10 is 16,000 per day. So quickly, because I normally what I do is that I do upgrade after making the video. So how do you get started on this platform? All you just need to do is to, first of all, you sign up with an email, then you input a login password, you input another login password to confirm, and then a security password. Or you can make use of a mobile phone number. You come here and then you choose your country code and then you register. So for me, what I'm just going to do is that I'm just going to head straight into login because I already have an account with this platform. So quickly, let me just head straight into it. Now on this video, I'm just going to be making a live withdrawal after I have stake. Now I'm going to be staking for the period of 30 days because you have the opportunity to stake within 30 days or 60 days and you are going to be earning. So once you are logged in, you are just going to see this information. You can go ahead and read it. So if you look on my account directly now, you are going to see I have about 15 USDT that I'm investing here that I want to stake, and it's going to be giving me approximately 4.50 USDT per day. That's around almost 7,000 in naira. So quickly, I'm going to stake this and I'm going to show you guys how you can also recharge on this platform. So let me just stake this right now because I want to make a withdrawal. So you can see if you want to stake, you're just going to scroll down here. You see 15 USDT and I'm staking it for the period of 30 days. So let me just take it. I'm going to still show you guys how you can recharge and how you can know your earning interest. So let me just tap on staking here. So I'm staking it for the period of 30 days. So you see I will be earning 4.50 every day on a daily basis. So let me just tap on withdraw here because I want to withdraw this amount while I'm still making the video. So I tap on I'm looking for my BEP20 wallet address. That's BEP20. So let me just quickly go here. Now this is what I'm going to encourage you guys. If you are on platforms as this, please make sure you are making use of Trust Wallet or you are making use of Exodus Wallet when you want to place withdrawal. However, you can make use of Exchange, but it's much more comfortable if you make use of wallet, you understand? So let's do it this way. So let me just input my security password. After I'm done placing this withdrawal, I'm going to also show you guys other steps on the platform so you don't actually miss out on anything whatsoever. So let me just go ahead with this. So remember, you saw how much we had on that account earlier on. I'm going to still show you guys when the withdrawal arrive. You can see my withdrawal is currently successful. So the next thing we're going to do here is that I want to show you guys the different staking amount that you can actually stake. So if you read currently here, you are going to see if you pledge an amount of, okay, let me show you guys the pledging amount and the earning interest. First off, let me come with a recharge. If you want to recharge, all you just need to do is to click on recharge. Right, so once you click on recharge, you can make use of different network on USDT. So we have different network. We have TRC20, we have BEP20, we have BEP20 USDC, we have TRX, and we have BNB. Now before you go ahead with your recharge, you have to note that you want to calculate your earning interest, you understand, so that you can actually decide how much you want to actually throw in here. Now this is actually an official disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. All I do here is to show you guys how I earn on the cryptocurrency space and how best you can navigate this and actually earn good interest for yourself, you understand. So make sure you follow this carefully and so you don't miss out in any way whatsoever. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is that I'm going to show you guys different ways that you can actually stake and different staking amounts. So let's quickly go about it. So let me just go backward. Let's do it this way. Okay, so in order for me to do that, I think I just have to log out, so I show you guys other ways that you can actually stake and earn for yourself. So let's do it this way again. Now this is how it actually looks like. Now if you want to see your different interests in staking, so now this is it. Now the first one that I actually went for was 15 to 50 USDT, so it's going to give me 30% per day, which was around 4.50. Now if you go by this, now let's do it this way for you to clearly understand. So if you are starting with around 15 to 50, right, you are going to be earning 30% of that amount. So me, I'm earning 30% of 15 USDT, so that's what is giving me 4.50 per day. So if you are going with 20 thereabout, it's going to be above what I earn currently. So what I just normally do here is that I make a target of around 7 days. Now the first 3 days I'm going to be having a return of my capital back, For example, now this is 15 USD that I'm starting with. Now if I'm earning 4.50 per day, 4.50 multiplied by 3, approximately it has given me what I started with. So let's just do it this way. Let's say 4.50 multiplied by 3. In the space of 3 days, I almost have what I actually invested here. So multiply by 4, you can see I already have above my capital and an extra. So in the next 7 days, if I multiply by the next 7 days, you can see I have like 2x my initial investment. So this is it. We're here for confirmation. You can see our withdrawal have actually arrived. This was the withdrawal place. It has arrived. So make sure you find your way down to my Telegram channel. I'm giving you guys this alpha. Make sure you find your way and participate in Caladio testnet. If you don't know how to find it, find your way down to my Telegram channel and start aping in different token adoption for free that I can fetch you a good sum so you can stack USDT. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe.